Today we are going to see about comparison of electrical transmission and optical transmission. So the first point is, for electrical transmission it is 10 nanosecond or 10 power minus 8 second, and it is bandwidth limited. And in the case of optical transmission, it is less than 100 picosecond, that is 10 power minus 10 second. Here it is bandwidth, in electrical it is bandwidth limited, whereas in optical transmission it is depends on the dispersion. Dispersion means dispersion of light. The bandwidth depends on dispersion of light and the electronics required. Based on it depends on electronics. So the bandwidth for electrical transmission is roughly around 100 megahertz, whereas bandwidth for optical transmission is roughly around 100 terahertz. Here EMI is a problem. EMI means electromagnetic interference is a problem. Here we don't see any EMI problem. That's the major advantage for going for optical fiber cables. Here for cable, electrical cable, we will be using copper or aluminum. It is very large and heavy. Moreover, the cost, money we are going to invest is also high. Here I represent by dollar. The dollar value is also very high. Here we are going to use glass. Cheaper, small, lightweight. But only one drawback is we should handle it carefully because it is fragile since it is glass. The next point, signal attenuation is greater than 20 dB per kilometer. This is the drawback of copper cables or aluminum cables for electrical transmission. Whereas in optical transmission, attenuation is roughly around or approximately equal to 0.2 dB per kilometer. This is a major advantage using optical fiber cables. And lastly, signal remains electrical. Throughout the transmission of the cable, the signal is in electrical form. Whereas in optical transmission, sensors which will convert physical parameters into electrical. So we have electrical signal, then it has to be converted into optics. So here you need an interface, electronics to optics interface, and signal travels in optic fiber cable, and once again this optical information has to be converted into electronic or electrical information. For that, in between these two interfaces we need electrical optical interface, and between optical and electrical once again we need an interface. So this is one drawback with optical transmission. So this is important points I have discussed. This point is 10 nanosecond or 10 power minus 8 second is the pulse width. It can accommodate that. Therefore, it is bandwidth limited. Here it is 10 power minus 10 second means the duration is very, very less. Therefore, it occupies a very big bandwidth. So that's all about electrical difference, comparison between electrical transmission and optical transmission of signals. Thanks for watching. நன்றி.